I was recently pulling cues together for a pitch. I stumbled across a batch of music that I wrote a few years ago for Tencent Games' Honor of Kings. Now, if you're not familiar, it's one of the most played games in the world, with over 100 million daily players. After my music was approved, the music supervisor asked me to write a double string quartet sort of on top or inside of the existing orchestral music. If you think that's complicated, it actually was. It was probably one of the most cognitively demanding things I've ever had to do. Imagine weaving 8 independent string lines into a fully orchestrated piece. It was like equal parts tightrope dancing, think musical goldsmithing at the same time. But the result was a lot of fun in the end, and I had not listened to the quartets in isolation until today. Here's how it sounds like.